Welcome to ColorGATE. In this video, we will show you step by step how to get started with your ColorGATE software if you have a license with SoftKey. The first step is to register as a user. Please go to colorgate.com. Click on Support. Click on Login/Register, and then on Register Now. Enter your email address and set a password. Click on Next and enter the required information. Click on Register and on OK. Afterwards, you will receive an email from customer service at colorgate.com. Please click on the activation link in this email to finalize your user registration. If you do not receive an email from customer service, please check your spam folder. As soon as you receive another email confirming that your user registration has been successfully completed, you can log into the ColorGATE support site with your account data. The next step is to register your ColorGATE product. To do this, please go to colorgate.com and click on Support. Click on Login/Register and log in with the account data you specified during user registration. Click on Product Registration and enter your license number. You find the license number on your ColorGATE invoice. You can optionally add additional email addresses in case you want other people to be notified, for example, when the license is updated or expires. When you click on Next, you see the summary of your license. Click again on Next and select the printer you are using with this license. If you have already selected your printer, you can now change it if necessary. Click on Next and choose whether you want to use your license in online or in offline mode. We recommend that you select online mode. This offers you more options for managing your license, but requires an internet connection during license activation and while working with the ColorGATE software. If your computer is connected to the internet only during license activation, but not while working with the software, please select offline mode. For more information on offline mode, please see our blog article, Production Server, Do's and Don'ts, Working with Offline Licenses. Click on Next. In this last step, you will see a summary of your license. Please check your details. If they are correct, click on Register Now. Your product is now successfully registered, and it is listed on our support site under Menu, Account and Licenses, tab Licenses. Click on the license number and all details are displayed on the right-hand side. The next step is to download and install your ColorGATE software. Go again to the ColorGATE support site and log in. Click on Download and Installation. Click on Software and select your software, Production Server or FilmGate. At the top of the list, you will find the installer for the latest version. Click the download icon to download this software version. Start the installer and follow the instructions. In the license type selection step, please make sure to select SoftKey. For some printers, you need additional software components. These can be found on our support site. Click on Download and Installation, Software, and activate the filter Printer Related to see all available printer-related software components. If your printer is operated via USB, You may also need to install the printer driver provided by the manufacturer. You can now start your ColorGATE software, but please note that it is initially limited in time. It will become permanently valid once the corresponding payment has been received and you have updated your license. This will be described in Step 5. When you start the software for the first time, you must enter your activation code. You can find it on the ColorGATE support site. Click on Menu, Account and Licenses, and go to the Licenses tab. Click on your license. On the right-hand side, your activation code is displayed. You can copy it by clicking on the copy symbol. Start your ColorGATE software. Paste the activation code into the entry field that is displayed and click on Activate. The prerequisite for the unlimited availability of the software is that you have accepted your value pack. So, if you have not yet accepted it, or if you are unsure whether you have, please go to our support site and log in. Click on Menu, Account and Licenses, and go to the Licenses tab. Click on your license. If a value pack expiration date is displayed under Support option, you have already accepted your value pack, and you can proceed with updating your product so that it is permanently available. If not accepted is displayed under Support option, Terms and Conditions, you have not yet accepted your value pack. In this case, you must click on the Accept button before your software can be used without any time restrictions. In the last step, you need to update your license so that it is unlimited in time. Once we have received payment for your software and have checked your product registration, we will remove the time limit on your license, and you will receive an email about an available license update. After receiving this email, please go to the Start menu of your computer and click on Production Server or FilmGate. Update license. Your license is now available without any restrictions. Now, you are ready to work with your new ColorGATE software. When you start the software for the first time, the Setup Assistant opens. It provides you with the most important steps for working with the ColorGATE software. You find more details about this dialog and about the software in general in the online help. You can open it directly from within the program by pressing the F1 key. For further information on getting started with your new ColorGATE software, please read our Getting Started guide. You can find it on our website under Manuals. If you have any questions, please contact our customer service team via customer service at colorgate.com. Don't forget to include your license number. We wish you much success with your new ColorGATE software.